Hello there, Stampin' friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 68 for today. We're using Glorious Gingham, and I've paired it with Berry Burst, and I'm also using a piece of the Masterly Made DSP. Here's the gingham cut down for a back panel. We have a square of the Masterfully Made, and then we need 4 strips that are 6 by 1/4 inches for our framing. Then I stamped my sentiment from the Enduring Beauty, which is a new stamp set with Berry Burst, onto my white. So these are the parts and pieces we're going to use for today's card, and you know all the details can be found on the mini tutorial subscription email. Okay, so we always score and fold our card base to start. Then we're going to add the square of DSP to the background piece of gingham. Just use your liquid adhesive to adhere it right in the center. Then we're going to take our 4 strips of DSP to create a fractured frame. This is a new technique that I've been trying. So to start, you're going to take the liquid adhesive and add a bead right down the edge of that center focal point, right to the edge of the DSP. Then position the strip on top of that adhesive and press it down to adhere. Then just rotate your piece and continue all the way around until you have all 4 strips framing in your center focal point. Now you're going to use your paper snips and just trim off the excess little strips from your edges. Next, we're going to add that whole panel to the front of your card with liquid adhesive. And then we're going to add our sentiment. At the last minute, I decided to trim my sentiment with my paper snips, and then I added it with dimensionals right on the corner of that frame of card. So what do you think? I think this is a really cool technique to use, and it's not very difficult. I hope you give it a try. Before you go, remember to subscribe to the channel here. That helps me out. And if you need any more information, all my contacts are below in the description. Until next time, happy stamping!